Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Nexus G-Play Plus Unisex Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Nexus G-Play Plus Unisex Vibrator itself. Now this is shown here in the size small, but it's also available in medium and large as well. Because of its compact small size, this is perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. It's ergonomically designed and features a soft silicone shaft for optimal comfort during use. And as mentioned, it's a unisex vibrator. It's perfect for prostate stimulation or even G-spot stimulation, so it's something for him and for her, and of course couples as well. It delivers strong, steady vibrations and is extremely versatile. It's perfect to use anally or vaginally. It comes with 6 vibration modes and is also waterproof, so you can also use this in the bath or shower for extra fun sensations. The power button is located at the base. Push for 2 to 3 seconds. A light will come on and the vibrations begin. Click on that same button to change the vibration patterns. To turn off the G-Play Plus, push and hold down for a few seconds, and it's now off. The charging point is also located at the bottom. Using your USB charging cable provided, push through the hole like so, and it will recharge for you. A quick, simple and easy process. You can also use the Nexus G-Play for clitoral stimulation as well. Now, when using the G-Play, we would highly recommend to use a water-based lubricant for optimal comfort during use. Please note you should also clean after every use, and for this we would highly recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Nexus G-Play Plus Unisex Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.